Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your webcam mic. So let's get started. So you're going to want to pop on over to your settings, you're going to want to hit system, sound, and then click this control panel here. You're going to want to go to recordings and select your c920 or c922. Now I'm going to get into the hardware right now. Okay, so editing me, I made a diagram here on which ones you should get. So the one that I used was an older Logitech c922. You can see that it says Logitech on the side. I got this for around $30 on eBay. These ones also work. These are the, I don't know how to say that, c920. You see it has the older Logitech logo and has that on the side. The ones that most likely work are the newer c922. I don't think they fixed this on the newer c922. I believe the 2016 c920 also does the funny buzzing noise, but the new c920, see it says Logi, does not work because I used to own one of these and it did not do the funny noise. So you're going to want to go to properties on your webcam mic. You're going to want to go to levels and make sure that's at 100. Next, you're going to want to go to advanced and make sure this is set to the lowest one. So 1600 is the lowest one for most of them. Next, you're going to want to make that the microphone in whatever program you're using. I am using OBS. Now, once you've done that, it's going to sound really good. So to actually make the noise, you kind of want to get it as close to your face as possible and just make the weirdest and loudest noise you could think of. So, and yeah, that's basically it.